Hello, these are my planning cards. So for my planning cards, I'll be using PowerPoint to create how I will make my interactive module. So, my target learners are in kindergarten, so I need to make the I Am badge as user-friendly, engaging, colorful, and exciting as possible. And so on every slide, I will include a voice recording that will clearly explain to the students what they are to be doing because these students can't really read yet. So my first slide will say hello class, and I'll do a voiceover, and then to catch their attention, I'll include a colorful background picture. And then, so on this slide, this is still the introduction. I'll create a video of myself that will tell the students what they're going to be learning about today, which will include upper and lowercase letters, the sounds these letters make, and how to practice writing their names and writing the letters of the alphabet. This slide will incorporate my ability to use videos, editing, YouTube, and hyperlinks, and the technology will grab the students' attention because it will be quick, brief, and I'll make it fun and exciting, and I will add background music in the video. This video, or I'll make a video for this slide to explain what the students are going to be doing and how to do it, and then I will explain to them the buttons that I will be incorporating onto every slide. And it's special PowerPoint technology, and you just add in a shape, and if you click on it, it goes to a different slide. This will get the students involved in the PowerPoint so they're not just sitting there. And then on every page, I'll either have a screen recording or a video of myself explaining to the students what they are to do. And so now we're getting into the learning part, and this is upper and lowercase letters. And so for each different section, the students will do a video, then a game, and then an assessment. So on this slide, I will have the students watch a video that talks about the difference between upper and lowercase letters, and then they'll watch this quick little video. And then this slide will have a game so they can practice their upper and lowercase letters, and it allows them to be interactive and something to do, something fun to do. And this is another game to further practice their upper and lowercase letters. And then this is a different platform in which they can practice their matching of upper and lowercase letters. And this is via Quizlet. And then this slide will have the assessment, where I will assess their knowledge of upper and lowercase letters. So here I've included a brain break for the students because since they're in kindergarten, it can get antsy and boring just sitting and doing the badge. So I've incorporated two options. They can do yoga or do a little dance party. And then this part is the sounds of the alphabet. And so again, I do a video and then a game and then the assessment. And so then this is a PowerPoint I made that goes through all the different letters of the alphabet and includes pictures, voiceovers, animations that allow the students to be excited, interactive, engaged. And then I'll tell the student to feel free to repeat after me the sounds as they go through the PowerPoint. On this side, the students will play a game to further practice the letters of the alphabet and its corresponding sounds. And this is another game if they didn't like the previous game. And then this is a YouTube video called See It, Say It, Sign It, which allows the students to further strengthen their knowledge on the sounds of the alphabet. And it allows the students to see the letter, hear the sound, and then learn a little bit of extra knowledge of sign language. Then lastly, we have writing the letters of the alphabet. And so to begin this, I start with letter recognition, so they recognize letters and like are strong in that. And then this Quizlet incorporates pictures on the flashcards, and then I ask what the image on the card starts with. So this allows them to practice the use of technology in Quizlet, and they can turn the flashcards into a game. This is another online game that allows the students to practice letter recognition. And then this is a video that I made via Camtasia that I will link, that's linked right here. And I demonstrate writing the letters of the alphabet in the video. And then this is a game that allows the students to see the letters being written. And it allows the students can pick which letters they want to see being written. And they can like specifically get help with the letters of their name, because that's like the assessment, writing their name and identifying the letters of their name. And then this is another game that allows them to practice tracing letters, which will benefit them when they have to write it out. And then this is the assessment that the children will do to demonstrate that they can recognize letters of the alphabet, especially the ones in their names. And then with this resource, I'll be able to see their results and monitor how the students did with the feedback I received from the survey. And then so in my IM interactive module, the students will practice using an array of resources, including the following.